Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace mass airflow sensor, or rather clean the mass airflow sensor and clean the MAP sensor. So the mass airflow sensor is pretty simple to get to. It's right here. You don't need to remove any of this, the covers or anything to get to it, but the MAP sensor you do. So first of all, just go ahead and pull off this PCV hose. And then there's two screws you'll have to loosen with a flathead. There's a screw here, and there's one more screw down underneath here. It's kind of hard to see, but down underneath this box, there's another screw you'll loosen, and you just pull that right off. And then once that screw's loose, you pull that up, and then you've got two grommets in the back that you'll just pull right off. Set that off to the side. Then to remove this cover, you'll remove your gas cap, and then again it's just held on by a couple rubber grommets here. Just pull up on both back corners and then the left corner, and then pull that cover off. Set it off to the side. Take your gas cap, put your gas cap back on so nothing falls down into there. Screw your gas cap back on, and then your MAP sensor is right here. So it looks like it's a Torx bolt for that. It looks like it's two small nuts for that. So I'll get the size and remove the battery terminal. It's 10mm bolts, and then the two bolts on the mass airflow sensor are 5.5mm bolts, really small, and then the screw on the MAP sensor is a T25 bolt. So I went ahead, already removed those. That just pulls right out. You can see that's kind of pretty dusty, pretty dirty. Clean that out. And then the mass airflow sensor just pulls right out like this. And it doesn't look real dirty, but I'm still going to clean it. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just use this mass airflow sensor cleaner for both sensors. Sprayed down in there, clean that up. Sprayed kind of all through these little passages. Right down in through there where that little red line is, that's kind of the main sensor port. Cleaned off the back of that and let them dry for a little bit, and then go ahead and reinstall them. And it's just the reverse process of how you took them out. Slide that in, the two bolts there, one bolt there, and then go ahead and reattach your wiring harnesses, reattach your battery, and then put the two covers back on. Thanks for watching.